Change your hair from red to black. Begin installing your braids. I'm using expressions and I used in total 3.5 packs. Cut it in two and apply your braids. You will continue to do this arduous finger burning task. You will do this until you get the results that you're looking for. Don't forget, use some oils. This helps to twist faster and also makes the burning less. This took me a whole of 2 days. Fingers still burning, but at the end, I'm happy. Voila!